How to block someone on X. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block someone on X. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your X account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, go ahead to locate the profile of the user that you want to block. So navigate your way to the profile of the user that you'd like to block. Alright, so once you're the person's profile page, move to the top right corner, click on the three dots that you can see there, and a box will be displayed. You can see different options like share, add or remove from list, view list, list their own, mute, then block. So click on the block option, and then a prompt will be displayed. Confirm the block by clicking on block, and then just like that, the person would be blocked from your end. So this is how you can block someone on Twitter. So go ahead now and block every negative vibe that you might be experiencing on the X app. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and leave a like for this video. Have a good day.